Welcome back. Today's video is The Fate of Ophelia by Taylor Swift. I'm first going to show you how the song sounds all the way through on the keyboard, and then I will break it down and teach you verse by verse. So this is how the song sounds first of all. So for the first line of verse 1, we're going to play. We're playing D, then down to G, G, B flat, C, B flat, back to G, G, B flat, C, B flat. Again, that first line is the second line is we're playing G 3 times, then B flat, C, B flat, A, G, B flat. The next line is G, B flat, C, B flat, then G, 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 B flat, C, B flat. Again, that is. And the final line of verse 1 is. I'm playing G 3 times, C, B flat, A, G, G. So that is verse 1. Let's play that again. The second verse to learn is the pre-chorus. This is how it sounds. So the first line of the pre-chorus is. So we're moving slightly higher up the keyboard. We're playing E 3 times, F, E, D, back down to G, G. Again, that is. The second line is. E 3 times, F, E, D, D, G, A, B flat. The next line is. So we're playing C 6 times, and then up to G, F, D, played 3 times. Let's play that line again. And the final line of the pre-chorus is. We're playing F, E, F, E, down to A, B flat, back to E, F. That's the pre-chorus. Let's play it again. Next up is the chorus. This is how it sounds. So for the first line of the chorus, we're playing. It's G, A, B flat, and then B flat played 6 more times, and then A. Again, that line is. The second line is, which is A played 5 times, C, A, and then the next line is. slightly quieter the second time. Again, that line is. The next line is the same as the first line. We're playing. And then the next line is. So we're playing A 4 times, C, A, C, F, E, D, C. That is the chorus. Let's play it again. After the chorus, the next part to learn is the post-chorus. This is how it sounds. So the first line of the post-chorus is. So we're playing C 6 times, and then up to G, F, D, G, F, D, G, F, D. So that's similar to a line we've played already. Again, that is. And then the next line is. We're playing F 5 times, G, A, F, C, A, G, E. The next line is basically the same as the first line. We're just playing C 5 times instead of 6. So it's just. And we're not playing a D on the end. So it's slightly different. So we're playing C 5 times, G, F, D, G, F, D, G, F. And the next line is. We're playing F 5, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Playing F 6 times, G, A, and the next line is A, C, F, E. The final line is very simple, it's just. Which is just C played 6 times and then D. So that is the post-chorus. Let's play it again. So the next verse to play is verse 2, which is pretty much the same as verse 1. There might be a slight variation to the notes. I'll put it on the screen so you can see the difference, but I don't need to go through it because it's very similar to what we've already learnt. And then after verse 2, you can play the pre-chorus, chorus, post-chorus again, which again we've already learned. And the final part to learn is the bridge, and this is how it sounds. bridge is very simple. The first line is, which is just A and G alternating 4 times. The second line is, which is just A, and then it's F and G alternating. Again, that is. The next line, again, it's similar. It's just G and F alternating 4 times. And the next line is, which is E and F alternating 4 times. The next line is nearly the same as the first line. It's G and A alternating 4 times. The next line is exactly the same as the second line that we played in this verse. The next line, same as the third line of this verse. And then the final line of the bridge is which is E played 5 times, and then F, and up to C, B flat, A, B flat, A. So that is the bridge. Let's play it again. And then after the bridge, you can play the chorus and the post-chorus again, and that's everything for this song. I hope you enjoyed this tutorial. If you found it useful, please let me know by leaving a thumbs up or a comment below. Don't forget to subscribe, and I'll see you in my next video.